All right, everyone. Gotta love this amazing traffic here in downtown. Anyways, so quick little recap of the day. Dealt with a bunch of very interesting tickets here at work. Some of my clients there are a little on the crazy side and don't seem to comprehend that when somebody's trying to work remotely on their system, it's probably not a very intelligent move to be clicking and typing all over and not let the representative do his job. But hey, that's just me ranting, I guess. But I did get some time to code, and I got to go ahead and go past the section that speaks about nodes or nodes or however you say it in Python. It's quite complicated from what I saw. Sure as heck puts a big spin on everything from what I've been learning so far. Currently building one of the projects that they're offering there for me to do. Yeah, other than that, it's been good. It's been real good. One of the clients actually had a ticket for me that was concerning Python and getting Python to run a few scripts accordingly with some of the other programs that they use there. And I still haven't figured it out, to be straight up. It uses something called MSM PI, so Microsoft MPI, whatever that is. I still got to do some research on it and figure out how to tackle that issue for that client. And that's pretty much what took some of my day. But yeah, as soon as I get home, I'm gonna be coding again. Says I'm 32% complete on the computer science path, which is the path I chose to do. I was supposed to do the software engineering one, but all they do is JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, and I feel like I should probably be focusing more on Python, so that's what I'll be doing. And computer science focuses on it, so that's what I'm sticking to. But alrighty, damn, lots of traffic. All right, everyone, take care. See you guys soon.